Everyone, welcome back to APS School again. I will continue about the new comment about the multi-line style, yes, and the multi-line, yes. Copy already, yes, and multi-line is a common one of draw and the pair of line or double line, yes. And multi-line we can use about the wall, or you can use about the line that you want to set about the pair line, yes. And common multi-lines shortcut MLs, yes, MLs, and then we can put the as it means that the scale, it means that the size here, yes, size here, yes. And gap, it means that between we want 1 2, yes. Okay, now we go to about the practice about the multi-lines, and we're gonna put the multi-line the case 1. We can know about the ML inter, put ML inter, we put the ML inter, and then we tie the S inter, and then enter the line scale. I mean, put the scale as line scale. I mean that the size of the pair line, yes. For the 100 enter, and we can choose about the justification scale or style, yes. If you want to okay, and now I want to general or multi-line, yeah. Click one point, you can see the pair lines, yes. And we can put the length or set the length. The length, I mean that the set the 100 or 200 or 20, just I tried it 20,000, yes, 20,000 enter. And we can move line follow the below or over and about and front, yes. And you can move like below, yeah, below, put the 100, and then we can move 3,000, yes. You can see that. And then if you want to draw, you may draw continue, you can put the length, or if you want stop to drawing, you can escape or space break command, yes, space enter. Okay, this is the general or multi-line that you want to draw with the pair line, yes. And for two case and a two-step, okay, two-step, you can choose the certification about the type or left, right, or zeros. It's important. I want draws one line, two line, three line, yes. Attach the right top. Yes, you can the top. Need 100. Okay. Tops, you can choose the like this. This is a bottom, yes, bottom. Bottom, and then choose the bottom and zero. Zero, I mean the center. Zero. Okay, zero. Okay, I choose the certification. We use a certification. Fill for the ML enter, S enter. We put the length or scale multi-line 100 enter, and we can choose justification. We have 3 that want to choose. Click, and you can see about the top, 0, bottom. You can choose top like this. You can see when we move, you can see mouse. When I click here, my mouse is above. Yes, above. You can see this above, and right down or wall in below, and 0 about 0. ML enter as enter, put the length 100 enter J, or you choose like this. You choose 0 is equal the center. Click 1, this line. You move. Okay, you move here, and you can see the center between 1 line and 2 line. And then we go to the bottom, yes. Can choose about the line. ML enter, I enter. Put the line on scale, line 100. Enter, choose the J's or the justification. Enter, you choose the bottom. Click here, and you can see my mouse. When I click, you can see about the wall about the mouse when I click. Yes. Click. Okay, click 1 point. Can enter it. This is the type of multi-line that you want to choose about the wall, or you can draw me about wall line. Example, I have 1 line. Yeah, this is the line. It's simple. It is as the house or the bedroom or the room. Okay, I will choose about the bottom. Yeah, bottom you can see about the wall outside or inside. Yes. ML enter. Put the ML enter as enter. We type as enter, and type the line scale 100. Choose. Oh, sorry. ML enter as enter 100. Choose the justification. We choose about the bottom. Okay. Bottom it means outside. My wall is outside. Yes, easy for you. Click 1 here, 2, 5, then here like this. Okay, you can see. Okay, easy for you. And then we can move, continue about like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, like this. And for multi-line, we also break the line that we want to the line style. Yes, line style, it means that we can choose about the models. Example, I go to this command, ML style. Yes, style you can choose. Awesome though. Sorry. ML style. Yes. Sorry, ML leader style. No, ML style. Sorry. Line and ML this though. Sorry, ML this. Edit means that I tell you already. You can choose like this, that you want to. And we can use also is a corner. We can choose like this. If I go to about the like this, the same. You can choose like this. Click 1, 2, 3. This is the line, yes, line. You can delete, and then you can choose about the enter style, yes. This and like this the same. Click, yes. This is the line, delete. Okay, we can move. Edit again, and you choose about the okay, the same like this, okay, okay, again, this, yes. Okay, and we also set the style the same, list style. Okay, we can set new one and new, okay, two, like this. Here you can see this is the model that I want to choose, and we also choose the color that we want to none, and this color, sorry, clicks and then choose the color. Okay, set, choose the one number, set one, and enter. You can see color red, yes. Is a multi-line, yes. And also we can multi-line style. It did some throw, sorry. Did style, sorry, style, and we can set like this. Or the new, can add like this, line type, okay, enter. Can see 3 lines, yes. Oh, sorry, again, enter. Style enter. Modify, you can choose about okay, add again. Utilize. Okay, enter. Again, style, you can choose the WS and set. Okay, enter. You can see. Okay, that's all. This is my review of comment, and then we go to continue about the last time. Thank you for your watching.